What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naninga and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. We discovered that TikTok has like the best hacks apparently all these weird hacks, and we're going to try out all these weird TikTok hacks in this video. TikTok hacks. I'm going to do a full face, my entire makeup routine using TikTok hacks. I'm just curious to see whether these hacks are actually worth it because they have very interesting titles like
life-changing hack.
You'll never go back to doing what you.
This is the best hack ever.
Those weird kind of titles, that's exactly what they have. So fast hack, because it's about, you know, how you should prime your face. I'm gonna show you right here while I look at it on my phone just to confirm. So
if you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first.
okay, 3 things were mentioned. I think 4 things were mentioned. I have 3 because the other one is already on my face. So she said moisturize your face fast. Translucent powder. I don't have any translucent powder, but I do have this black opal setting powder. You know, it does like powder done. So we're gonna apply. I'm supposed to apply primer generously. How can I leave my T-zone? And that's the most important. Okay. My base is looking flawless. Hack approved. Approved hack. So now to do the eyebrows, and we have an eyebrow hack. It's crazy. It consists of 2 things: a pencil, a black one, and a Q-tip. Held it in such a way it was like straight. It wasn't tilted like this. Can I just this? I don't know, it was 3 steps, but I can't see how it's gonna be 3 steps. God. Just gonna take some concealer and try and define these brows. Next is the eyeshadows and an eyeshadow hack. So I think these hacks are just so crazy. You never know how the outcome will be. Let's do that hack. This is eyelash color, and she applied on it. So basically this hack involves only these 2 things. For the base eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply a pink color. Our base is ready. See what she does, she takes the eyelash color and takes some concealer, applies it on the top. Oh dear. So we have applied our concealer over here on the top. Okay. So from there, just apply the rest of our concealer. It's gonna work. It's supposed to like get a really straight line for your cut crease, and I feel like it did that like really fast. is approved because doing a cut crease is so time consuming. Slashes the time by like half, literally. So the next one is an eyeliner hack, and this eyeliner hack is wild. It's wild, like seriously, like I have loads of laziness.
Do you struggle eyeliner? I've got the best hack. Grab your pencil, black, brown, whatever colour you want. You're going to put your finger right in the corner of your eye, and where you can feel the pressure, that's where you're going to put your pencil liner. I'm drawing mine here. Then we're going to put it into the corner of the eye, and we're just going to pull it out.
That is a wild hack. Honestly, I don't know what to say. Okay. It says you put it right there. Okay, like this, and then you just oh my god, oh my god, that was easy. I'm gonna do this eye. They're not balanced. The balance. I think I'm gonna just enlarge my eyes because I feel like my eyes are too small. So I'm just going to use this white liner. That is too much eye, but I'm going to just finish up my eyeliner. For this wing, we're just going to leave it that way. That's what the hack says. Okay, now we need to do our lashes. A hack for lashes. I think this one is going to be a good one. I trust you.
This lash hack changed my life, and I'm about to change yours. I learned this hack from my good friend, Miss Erica LaPearl, celebrity makeup artist. First things first, get your lash. We're gonna cut about 1/3 of the lash off. Now just apply your glue and apply them towards the outer part of the eye. I'm avoiding the inner corner. You're probably like, Melly, that's a normal lash application, but hold on, here it comes. Take the glue and just put it on top of the band and let it dry. Now just push up the lash to that glue. Look at the difference between the regular application versus this hack. Oh,
out my longest lashes. This one. See how long they are. Oh, they normally say trust the process, but you mentioned the celebrity makeup artist. So the next hack was to apply this eyelash glue. What to say? Oh, God.
Failed for various reasons.
Next one is actually for the face, like for foundation, lash.
I'm so sick of cakey makeup looks, so I've been using this technique and I'm obsessed. All at once, apply all your cream products just like this. The key is to use a setting mist. This stops the product from drying out so you can blend it. But it also infuses the makeup with the setting power of your setting spray. So now I'm going to start blending, and I start with the concealer because that's the lightest color, and it's really easy to blend because it's nice and wet from the setting spray. When blending, the products go from light to dark, so I started with concealer, moving on to now foundation, and then the blush, then bronzer, and contour. Along the way, feel free to mist your face as you go to re-dampen everything. The great thing about this is instead of applying foundation over your whole face and then applying concealer on top of that, blush on top of that, contour on top of that, and bronzer on top of that, this is technically a single layer of makeup, even though I'm wearing 5 different products. My typical makeup technique would end up with me having like 5 or 6 layers on, and it just doesn't look natural. So with this technique, I can wear everything. It looks so natural and it stays all night. Look how beautiful that is.
Apply everything at once. So my concealer, foundation, blush, highlighter, contour all together. Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Here, yeah. I also want just a tiny foundation, and this is the shade Spice, which is like my perfect shade. Lip and cheek color in the shade Strawberry. Highlighter from Revlon, right over there. Then say that you missed your face. One I have. Setting spray will help. I'm going to use this flat brush first. Everything is I don't even want to bake it. She baked it. Or we bake it. To the lips. As for the lips, there are actually two hacks that I'm going to use. So the first hack is basically this one.
Why you need to stop using lip liner and use eyeshadow instead. They're super easy to blend.
Say no more. Eyeshadow it is. Now for the second hack, actually this is Huda Beauty's TikTok page. And I love Huda Beauty.
Okay guys, have you seen this trend, doe lips versus siren lip, that have been going around everywhere? I personally do not like the siren lips. I think they are very much Joker-like and I am not into them. But the doe lips, oh, beautiful. We're gonna try to get them right now. So we're gonna do that e-girl lip on top. First of all, we're gonna try that amazing hack where you close your mouth and you contour. The siren lip actually does extend, the doe lip does not extend. And the bottom is a little bit like a boat. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna draw a straight line and I'm going out here. And I'm making it really pudgy here on the corners. And I'm not connecting this corner again. Where I normally take my lip and go upward, I'm just hugging it and going straight up. Okay, I'm now just gonna grab a little gloss. This is our Spicy, so it is gonna give me a little bit of a plump, which is perfect for this. And I'm just gonna go over the whole thing. And then on top here afterwards. Gonna go in here now with a foundation. Voila! Doe lips. What do you guys think?
Eyeshadow, I think I'm going to use this shade here as a lip liner because I'm dark skinned and like who to create those doe lips. Most of the lip hacks don't work on dark skinned people. And as you can see, I've replaced a lip liner with eyeshadow. Start with that. Okay. So you don't go all the way. Wow. And she just kind of took foundation and applied it uku mwisho mwisho. Let me just try and take my foundation, which I used, which is this Clinique foundation. It's working. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like it's weird to be honest, but anyway. Stage which is setting powder and then I'm gonna give you an overall. Hello. Guys, basically this is the look that I got with the TikTok hacks. Yeah, I absolutely love the skin. Like the skin hacks were perfect. Like the first hack, the translucent powder, followed by a setting mist, and then followed by a primer. That's perfect. And also this last one where you put like everything all at once, like concealer. Yeah, just like that movie, everything all at once. Like concealer, blush, everything all at once. The doe lips, I think they're cute, but I really... If you're into looking like you have lip fillers, go for these lips. If Huda Beauty says they look gorgeous, who am I to dispute? But the eyebrows are terrible, honestly. They look okay. I normally see like Koreans and Japanese like to create like childlike, you know, eyebrows. They do this thing to make someone look younger, I guess, but I'm not a fan of them. For the this one, the one that used the eyelash color like to create a cut crease, that one was genius. I absolutely love the eyelash color hack. The one for the lashes, that one I have to redo it because these lashes were not moving. And basically, guys, this is it. I feel like my lips are just like enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like, to give me a thumbs up. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video.
Thanks for the workout. Hey, yo. That wasn't the workout. That wasn't the workout. That was the pre-warm-up to get you ready for the warm-up, to get you ready for the pre-workout, followed by the workout.